Mscia, or Medical Students Committee for International Affairs, is a medical students organization recognized as one of the international students organization in Brawijaya University. Mscia has a great network nationally and internationally. At the national level, Mscia is affiliated with CIMSA or Center for International Medical Students Activities, and at the international level, Mscia is affiliated with the world's oldest and largest medical student organization, IFMSA, or the International Federation of Medical Students Association. Mscia has 6 departments, where each department has their own focuses, such as professional exchange for DOPI, research exchange for DORI, public health for DOF, medical education for DOMI, reproductive health and rights including HIV or AIDS for DORA, and human rights and peace for DOF. Each department is actively involved in creating and organizing projects toward reaching SDGs of the UN. That is focusing on point 3, good health and well-being, point 4, quality education, point 5, gender equality, and point 13, climate action.
Halo Msciaers, jadi gimana nih? Keren banget kan Mscia? Nah, seperti yang udah dijelasin tadi, melalui Mscia, kalian pasti punya banyak banget kesempatan untuk bisa ikut project di 6 ranah yang berbeda, lalu bisa mempunyai relasi dengan mahasiswa FK di kampus lain, dan bahkan kalian bisa loh untuk ikut national meeting dan juga international meeting. Jadi, tunggu apa lagi?